We are here. Hello. We are here in the open house of what I'm doing today from Sunday from 1 to 3 p.m. Let's take a look at this open house. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome. We're starting off with our half bath downstairs as we just walk in, being welcomed to all this wonderful wood flooring, great vaulted ceilings with a lot of light coming through as well. You have this wonderful open space that can operate as living and kitchen. The televisions will convey with the property. You have a great big island as well, big basin sink, some modern backsplash, a 5-burner gas cooktop with electric oven, microwave, refrigerator, dishwasher, all stainless steel, appliances, great big pantry area, lovely mudroom. There's your 2-car garage and an additional coat space with more storage down here at the back. And I'm doing a quick tour today because I got to get the house open and ready because we're opening in like less than 10 minutes. Here is your backyard. Look what a low maintenance backyard this is. Look how private it is with the wall and everything. Very low maintenance backyard. Plenty of room for some plants to grow, with some nice potted features, a nice little fire pit. And as we go upstairs is where all your bedrooms are. Where the carpet's been replaced within the past few weeks. So spanking new, that spanking smelling new carpet. You have this upstage flex space, which could be used as an office or additional den. Bedroom area number 1. Nice spacious bedroom, about 13 feet. Bedroom area number 2, with all that natural light coming through. You've got your secondary bath, dual sinks, shower tub combo and linen closet. And what I love is the very, very spacious laundry room and storage area. Primary bedroom. You have a really nice customized closet area. Once again, televisions stay with the property. And your primary bath is rather large with a combination shower, garden tub, dual sinks, private water closet. And that's what we got. We're here from 1 to 3 p.m. We'd love to see you.
Take pride in your real estate experience.